Welcome back. This is the next video in the series. I can calculate 50% off in 3 minutes. You'll do it much quicker than 3 minutes. Let's get started. My name is Mr. Imran Iqbal from Imran Iqbal One-to-One Tutor on YouTube. So, what is 50%? I hear you ask. 50%. 50% literally means 50 per means divide, cent means 100. 50 per 100. Now, if we have 50 per 100 and we look at this fraction, say, can we write it more simpler? We divide both top and bottom by 50. That gives us a half. So if you're working at 50 parts per 100, you're working at a half in reality. Now, how do you work at 50%? You go to a sale in the shops, 50% off. Your best, you want to buy a bicycle, you want to buy a TV, 50%. 50% means it's a half off. How do we work out a half? We work out a half by dividing by 2. I told you I'll teach you easy methods. Divided by 2, that's it. No complicated multiplying method and fractions and cancelling. So if I want to work out, say, 50% of a £500 TV, so I have to literally divide it by 2 using the bus stop technique. How many 2's in 5 is 2. Remainder 1. How many 2's in 10 is 5. How many 2's in 0 is 0. So 50% of £500 TV is £250. So you will save £250 and it will cost you £250. Next question. £72 is your bus fare for 3 months. Okay, and you're getting 50% off deal. Divided by 2. How many 2's in 7 is 3. With 1 left over. How many 2's in 12 is 6. So if you got a £72 ticket, you're going to only pay 36 quid and save 36 quid. Job sorted. Okay. You're going to go on holiday, 600 quid. It's 50% off. So you divide it by 2. 2's and 6 is 3. 2 doesn't go into the zeros. So you will save £300, which is half the money, and pay the other 300. Last one. You want to save, you can only carry a half of your luggage weight at the airport. You come with 164 kilos. They say you can only take 50%. So we divide it by 2. 2's and 1 is 0. Remainder 1 doesn't go into 1. 2's and 16 is 8. 2's and 4 is 2. So you're only allowed to take 82 kilograms with you on the flight. I hope you're enjoying these lovely series of videos. I'm enjoying them. Right, okay, let's go. You have got left over 10 questions to do. So these are your 10 questions. Dear student, have a go at these questions. So you freeze the screen, press pause, then after a few seconds, I will reveal all the answers so you can mark them, so it becomes an exercise for you to see whether you can do it too. And I know you can. So pause the video now, do the questions, and after a few seconds, press play again for the answers. I'll see you back in a few seconds. Welcome back. So I've taken you've done the questions. Here are the answers for you to mark them. I hope you got them all right. I'm sure you got them all right. Well done. Check your answers using these. Pause the video and I'll see you on the next one. If you want more content like this, head over to Imran Iqbal One-to-One Tutor on YouTube. We've got lots more videos like this helping you to master and smash the maths. Okay, take care till the next video.